The opposition has, of course, made several demands within the IEBC, saying the commission must clean up its house before the October 17th election. But IEBC has also been thrown into a spin after French company Authoritative, which was providing the results transmission of the kits, says it may not upgrade its kits in time. But as it stands, IEBC still maintains that the October 17th officially remains the date of the election. We have heard them say that they will not be able, or time is not sufficient rather, to upgrade the result transmission kits for to be able to be ready on time for the October 17th election. So again, a lot of controversy as to whether we will really have an election on the 17th of October. Do grab your copy of that. Fears of a constitutional crisis remain because as it stands, IEBC has a budget of about 12 to 15 billion shillings, and this is quite a lot. But again, the Treasury says this may not be enough for this repeat presidential election. These issues of procurement and staffing, which IEBC says may not be able to happen if the election is to be held on the 17th of October. The opposition, on the other hand, says a cleanup must be done for them to take part in that presidential election. Of course, as it stands, the printing of ballot papers by Al Ghurair again continues to be an issue for the opposition, and the issue of rebuilding public confidence also remains for IEBC. Just yesterday, the other day rather, there was a poll by Infotrack there detailing the confidence levels that the public has in both the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission as well as the judiciary. And about 46% of Kenyans said they did have faith in the IEBC. So we'll wait and see what changes will be taking place as the full verdict of the Supreme Court is read out. So that's what's making headlines on the front page of the Standard. And